Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to draw some shapes. Heart, diamond, triangle, pentagon, circle, star, let's start to color it. This is light blue color. Yellow, green, red, dark green, orange, heart, orange, brown. Let's learn some colors. Yellow, green, light blue, green, red. These are the colors. Heart, diamond, triangle, star, circle, pentagon. Bye. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.